Follow these steps to fix laptop Wi-Fi disappeared in Windows 11. First, open your Start menu and search for services. Click on the window that appears, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for a service called Double Lane Autoconfig. Double-click on it and make sure that the startup type is set to automatic and that the service status is running. If it's not running, click the Start button and then press Apply and OK. Next, right-click on the service and select Restart. After that, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager. Launch it. Now expand Network Adapter section. You should see your Wi-Fi card listed. Right-click on it and choose Disable Device. After disabling, right-click on it again and select Enable Device. If your Wi-Fi adapter is not listed, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices to find it. If this does not fix the issue, open Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Click on it and set the View By option in the top right corner to large icons. Then click on Network and Sharing Center and on the left side, select Change Adapter Settings. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it and choose Disable. After a moment, right-click again and select Enable. Finally, go back to Start menu, search for Settings and launch it. Go to Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, then scroll down and click on Network Reset. Hit Restart now and confirm with Yes. Once your PC restarts, check if the Wi-Fi symbol has returned. If still this does not work, you can try power cycling your laptop. Unplug the charging cable, then hold the power button for about 45 seconds. Even after the screen goes black, keep holding the button down until the 45 seconds have passed. After that, turn your laptop back on and check to see if the Wi-Fi is working again. And if this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.